Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes again, and today we're going to be doing Foundations, Unit 7, Week 2, Day 4. Today is a review day. We're going to be reviewing suffixes and trick words and sounds. So let's get ready. Here we go. Let's read these words. Family, every, city, carry, change, large, 8, night, something, why, by, my, try. Okay, good job. Now let's go through our suffixes. It's been a while since we've done suffixes. Let's read them. Ready? Full, less, able, ish, ness, meant, and, if, ing, ed, and remember ed can make 4 different sounds. D, id, t, and ed. Est, and S can make 2 different sounds. It can say Z or it can say S. And ES. ES makes the sound of is, and you only use ES after words that have X, Z, SH, CH, or S. All right, so let's begin. And on your iPads, by now you should have already duplicated the page that has the handwriting on it. And if you are not quite ready for that, you can pause the video because I'd like you to have at least 7 pages made before we start. All right, well, welcome back. And now we're going to start with some sounds. The first thing that we're going to do is I want you to write the sounds that have the sounds for long E. So on the top line of your iPad, I want you to write long E. All right, we're going to do long E sounds. So let's begin. The first long E sound, and echo me, E, me, E. So we would write E and put the long E sound over it. E, E, Jeep, E. And let's put the double E. And it's a double vowel, so we have to circle it. E, A, eat, E. And this is another double vowel. And so we're going to circle it. E, consonant E. So put your hyphen. There we go. E, Y, key, E. I'm going to go down here on a new line. E, Y. And this is also a double vowel. And our final way to make the sound of long E is Y, baby, E. And so we will write Y and then put the E up above it. Now, it's helpful if you put a comma between each one of these so that I can tell where one sound is and the next one is. And if you need more time, you can pause the video. And let's do the next one. The next sound that we're going to review are the sounds of long I. Long I. So, write long I. Long I. All right, so here we go. The first one, I, hi, I. You would write I, a line over it, and put your comma. The second one is I, pine, I. So we put I with a hyphen with an E. I know I said I, pine, I, but it's spelled I, pine, E. And put your comma there. And then the last way to spell the long sound of I that we're studying for now is why cry I. And we'll put the I over the top like that. All right, show your teacher your iPad. And new slide. Okay, the first trick word that we're going to work on today is the word something. Now, something is actually two words together, something. It's a compound word, but it's also a trick word because the sounds in the word don't they don't follow the rules. So if you look at the word some, if this was following the vowel consonant E rule, it would have a long O. Something. I don't say it that way. Something. It makes a short U sound. Okay, so let's write the word something. S-O-M-E, something. T-H-I-N-G. Something. Something. Okay, so now let's tap it out. Some. How many sounds? 3. Some. So let's do that part first. We hear the S, but we don't hear an O. What do we hear? U. And it's a short U. And then we hear the M. Some. Let's go ahead and cross out that E. Now let's look at the word thing. Tap it out. Thing. Th-ing. Thing. Well, we hear the TH. And then we hear the ING. And it is a glued sound. It's also a suffix, but they're used differently. If you take off the ing, you would just have th, and that's not a word. So, thing, something. Now, using your pen that is a sparkle or a different color, I want you to trace over the word something. Something. Let me see if I have a different color here. Here we go. Something. 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 All right. Now I know on your iPads it's going to be much cooler than what I did with a green marker. Now, with a different color, I want you to write the word something 3 times. And say the letters each time. SOMETHING. Write it 3 times, please. SOMETHING. And the last time something, I'm going to squeeze it in right here. SOMETHING. Something. Okay, show your teacher your screen. And next screen. All right, now let's practice some words that have suffixes. First word, echo me. Splashed. I splashed the water in the bathtub. Splashed. Elbows up, splashed. S-p-l-a-sh-t. Splashed. Write the word splashed. I splashed water in the tub. Spol, it has a blend at the beginning. Spol, sh. Ooh, it has a digraph in there. Splash. Now that's our base word. Splashed. Would you put a T or an ED? An ED. Because that is our suffix. So you circle it, and it makes the sound of T. Now, what kind of sound is this? Yes, it's a short vowel. And we have a digraph, so we have to underline that. And we already underlined our base word. You also have to underline the S, P, L, because those are part of a blend. Now, scoop it. And it's a one-syllable word with a short vowel sound. Ends on the consonant digraph, and the word is closed. All right, when you have that done, show your teacher your screen. And next screen. Next word, echo me. Shyness. I felt some shyness when I met a new group of people. I felt shyness. Okay, shy is your base word. Shh. And it ends with a sound of long I, but we don't put long I. Oh no, that's when you use Y as the sound of I. So we can go ahead and mark that long sound of I, and let's underline our base word. And now we're going to add the suffix ness. N E S S. Ness. So circle ness. Now we have to scoop shy. We don't scoop ness because we never scoop suffixes. Shy. And when you have a long vowel sound at the end of a word, that is an open syllable. So we have to put O for open. Show your teacher your screen. And next screen. All right, our next word, echo me. Windy. It was a very windy day. Windy. Elbows up. Wind. W-and E. Windy. All right, here we go. Wind. W-I-N-D. Now you notice this is a short vowel sound, and it is not IND find IND because it's not a long vowel sound. It's a short. So that's going to affect what kind of syllable it is. And when D, it's not the letter E, you put a Y. And we're going to put the E. Now in this case, underline wind. That's the base word. And in this case, the Y is also a suffix. Scoop it. And it's a one-syllable word with a short vowel sound. And it ends in a consonant blend. It is closed. Show your teacher your screen. And next screen. All right, our next word, echo me. trying. I am trying my best. Trying. Trying. Elbows up. Try. I-ing. Has a suffix on it. Try. R-Y. I makes the sound of I. Let's go ahead and mark that. Try. And let's go ahead and underline because that's our base word. Ing. I-N-G. Ing. Circle. Now it's a one-syllable word. It has a short vowel sound. Oh, I'm sorry. It has a long vowel sound on the end of the base word, so it is open. Well, that's all for today, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.